we're getting you breaking news. The capital clash is getting even more intense by the day with the latest attacks by the Aam Aadmi Party on the Congress. Take a look at your screens. Now, this is a picture from a press conference that the Delhi Congress had filed. The press conference that never happened. Now, everything was in place. The press was called in. Mics were ready. The poster was also ready. The topic was also written on the LED behind the seats that were placed at the press conference. But last minute, the Congress party decided to cancel that briefing. And what was the Congress going to talk about? If you look at the picture on your screens, the topic was Kya Desh Drohi Hai Kejriwal. This is what the Congress wanted to do a press conference on. But last minute, they cancelled the press conference. Now the Aam Aadmi Party, which is fighting against the Congress in Delhi, is mocking the Congress party. Over the last few days, it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is alleging a collusion between the BJP and the Congress in battleground Delhi. What has the Aam Aadmi Party said? That's the tweet of the Aam Aadmi Party. So the Aam Aadmi Party says that BJP se script aane mein deri hui and rukavat ke liye khed hai. That's how the Aam Aadmi Party is mocking the Congress party over their cancelled press briefing. But why was the press conference cancelled? First of all, let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, over the last few days, we've been seeing how the warfare between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress party, who are allies, I beg your pardon, in the INDIA bloc, how they've been taking pot shots at each other. The Congress had decided to do a press conference. What is this mystery over the Congress's cancelled briefing? Why did they change their mind?
Well, as per the official word which had been given on the part of the spokespersons of the Congress party, it is being said that the documents which were required to address this press conference by Mr. Ajay Maken, that has not been prepared by the Congress party, and that is the only reason why this press conference was earlier being delayed for an hour, and after that it was being announced that the press conference stands cancelled, and they had also mentioned that it will take place whenever the Congress party will be ready with the adequate documents which are needed to prove that the topic of the press conference, which is being named as is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, is an anti-national. If you remember, then earlier also we have seen that how Mr. Ajay Maken had made this allegation against the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, by calling him anti-national, and he had also mentioned it yesterday in a tweet that he will address a press conference at 11:30 a.m. in the morning, in which he is going to prove that why he had made this kind of charges against Arvind Kejriwal at that point of time. Earlier also we have seen that how the Aam Aadmi Party had made a strong remark against Mr. Ajay Maken, stating that this is not the correct way.
Does the press conference stand cancelled once and for all? Because if the Congress party, the Delhi unit of the Congress, was ready to hold a briefing with such a strong, topic, where they have said that they were ready with their material, क्या देशद्रोही अरविंद केजरीवाल, are you saying that last minute they kind of discovered that अरे हमारे पास तो मटेरियल ही रेडी नहीं है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स ही रेडी नहीं है, अब हम क्या बोलेंगे? Why the last minute cancellation?
Oh, well, that is what I was also talking about, as it was being mentioned by the spokespersons of the Delhi Congress unit, in which they had mentioned that the documents which they required to address that particular press conference to prove what was being said by Mr. Ajay Maken as Arvind Kejriwal is an anti-national. For that matter, they are not having the adequate number of documents, all of those details which are required to address that press conference, and that is the only reason why it had earlier got delayed, as the press conference was scheduled at 11:30 a.m. The media persons were there. They had waited till 12:30 p.m. But till then there was no word which was coming from the part of the Delhi Congress side, and then only it was some of the people from the Delhi Congress unit who had made this announcement that the press conference stands cancelled, and whenever they will be ready, there will be this press conference.
Largely for the INDIA bloc, because Delhi is going to be a litmus test for the INDIA's unity. And just by looking at the way things are panning out between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, this unity seems to be in complete tatters. Do stay with us, because let's get you the other aspect of this story. Since the beginning of the new year, we are seeing how the INDIA bloc may be staring at the verge of an end with both the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party going all guns blazing against each other. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party's deadline for the Congress Party expired, and the Aam Aadmi Party is yet to raise the issue with its allies. What did the Aam Aadmi Party say? The Aam Aadmi Party was fuming at repeated commentary made by leaders of the Congress Party in Delhi, and they had said that we will ask the allies to oust Congress Party from the India grouping. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has also gone all guns blazing against the Congress Party. He's alleging that the BJP and the Congress are colluding against the Aam Aadmi Party for the upcoming elections. He's also dared both the parties to announce that they in fact are contesting these elections together.
पंजाब की सारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ हैं, उनको आम आदमी पार्टी पे भरोसा है। ये कांग्रेस की और बीजेपी वालों की, कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को अब औपचारिक रूप से ऐलान कर देना चाहिए कि वो मिलके गठबंधन में ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ।
Now, countering the charges made by Arvind Kejriwal, the Congress is claiming that it is the Aam Aadmi Party that is hand in gloves with the BJP and that both of these parties follow the ideology of the RSS. There are leaders of the Congress Party who are citing Arvind Kejriwal's letter to the RSS. Now, the Congress, using this letter, is alleging that this goes on to prove that Arvind Kejriwal is close to the RSS and is acting as the B team of the BJP in the Delhi polls.
हम लोग बार बार कह रहे हैं, तो आप देखो केजरीवाल जी ने भी चिट्ठी लिखी थी मोहन भागवत को। क्यों? वो कौन बनते हैं आपके? आदमी तो उन्हीं को चिट्ठी लिखता है ना जो अपने होते हैं। जब इनको दिक्कत हुई बीजेपी से तो रोते रोते भागे आरएसएस के पास। कभी कभी गलती से क्या करते हैं, अपना केजरीवाल अपना असली रूप बाहर दिखा देते हैं।
And like we've been telling you, it's a cancelled press conference of the Congress Party that has added a fresh layer to the already bickering between the allies of the INDIA bloc. Add to that is also AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who has also entered the fray. He too is echoing the Congress Party's charges. In a scathing attack, the AIMIM MP is accusing the Delhi government of not doing enough for the Muslim community. He says that Muslim areas in the capital have not been developed. He also goes on to say that the Aam Aadmi Party has ignored Muslims and that there are no schools and clinics being made for them.
देखिए, एक बात आपको हम बता रहे हैं, तुष्टीकरण का जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, दिल्ली में जितनी विधानसभाओं में जहां पर अल्पसंख्यक समाज खास तौर से मुसलमान रहते हैं, आप जाकर उन इलाकों को देख लीजिए। मीडिया से मैं रिक्वेस्ट को जाकर देखिए, वहां पर क्या बुरा हाल करके रख दिए। दिल्ली का कचरा लाकर जहां पर अल्पसंख्यक समाज के मुसलमान रहते हैं वहां पर लाकर उसको फेंकते हैं। ये इनका जो बड़ा ड्रामा होता है केजरीवाल का कि हम क्लिनिक बनाए, स्कूल बनाए, कहां बनाया तुमने बताओ, जहां पर अल्पसंख्यक समाज के मुसलमान रहते हैं।
दिल्ली के चुनाव में वो हिंदुत्व की वोट हो गई आम आदमी पार्टी और बीजेपी।
दोनों हिंदुत्व पे हैं, दोनों में फर्क क्या है? कोई फर्क नहीं दोनों में, दोनों आइडियोलॉजिकली एक ही हैं। दोनों की पैदाइश, इनको पैदा करने वाली अम्मा का नाम है आरएसएस। एक को जनसंघ को पैदा किया उन्होंने, बाद में फिर वो 1980 में बीजेपी बनी। एक को उन्होंने 2012-13 में एक बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट है, वहां पर लैब ग्रोन है ये हिंदुत्व, वहां पर पैदा किया इसको।
Now, how is the Bharatiya Janata Party responding to all the allegations that are being floated amid the battle for Delhi? The BJP says that the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party have a dosti of convenience. They're also asking the Aam Aadmi Party, why are you still a part of the INDIA bloc even after the expiry of the deadline that you itself had set for the Congress Party and allies of the INDIA bloc?
पंजाब में 1000 रुपए महिलाओं को नहीं देंगे, यहां पर भी केवल घोषणाएं करेंगे जिसको वादा पूरा कभी करते नहीं। जैसे यमुना की सफाई हो, प्रदूषण मुक्त दिल्ली हो, तार मुक्त दिल्ली हो या 20 नए हॉस्पिटल की जो घोषणा की थी, वो वादे तो पूरे किए नहीं और केवल आरोप लगाकर भाग जाना है। कहना है कि कांग्रेस और बीजेपी एक साथ है, कांग्रेस बीजेपी की बी टीम है। चलिए, कम से कम बीजेपी ए टीम है, ये तो माना, पर सवाल ये बनता है कि कांग्रेस बीजेपी के साथ है तो आप इंडिया अलायंस में उनके साथ क्यों हैं?
But there seems to be no end to the politics that's raging in the national capital. Now it's BJP candidate from Delhi who's written to Chief Minister Atishi requesting her to open the doors of Sheesh Mahal for the Janta. He says that this should happen between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and people want to see what the Sheesh Mahal looks like. This also comes after the Prime Minister once again cornered the Aam Aadmi Party on the issue of Sheesh Mahal. My colleague Priya is joining me with the letter that Parvesh Singh Sahib has written. Priya, take us through the details.
So very significantly, Parvesh Sahib Singh has written this letter on the 3rd of January. This letter has been addressed to Chief Minister of Delhi. It speaks to the Delhi Chief Minister, and basically, I'll try and access that document, Sagarika, but basically what it says is that we want the doors of the Sheesh Mahal to be thrown open for public so that they can see for themselves firsthand within certain specific hours of the day what exactly was it that Delhi government under Arvind Kejriwal had spent money on. Remember, ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a mention of what happened at Sheesh Mahal, how taxpayers' money was spent to ensure that the Chief Minister of Delhi at 6 Flagstaff Road, the official residence, was spruced up at an exorbitant cost. Yes. He says that people of Delhi, and look at this letter over here, he says that this house is known as Sheesh Mahal, and नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र की जनता जिन्होंने लगातार 3 बार श्री केजरीवाल को अपना विधायक चुना और विधानसभा भेजा, इस भवन को देखने की प्रबल इच्छा रखती है. Now, why does New Delhi constituency become significant? Because this is also where Parvesh Sahib Singh is taking on Arvind Kejriwal in the upcoming elections, along with Sandeep Dixit.
Absolutely. And like you've been saying, Priya, since the time the Prime Minister entered the campaign, he set the tone. And one of the recurring attacks of the BJP on the Aam Aadmi Party has been on the issue of Sheesh Mahal. What did the Prime Minister say today during his rally? Listen in.
दिल्ली पर आपदा लाने वाले ये झूठा आरोप लगाते हैं कि केंद्र सरकार उन्हें काम नहीं करने देती, केंद्र सरकार उन्हें पैसे नहीं देती. ये कितने बड़े झूठे हैं, इसका उदाहरण इनका शीश महल है. आज ही एक बड़े अखबार ने सीएजी रिपोर्ट के आधार पर शीश महल पर हुए खर्च का खुलासा किया है. और साथियों, आपको ये जानकर के पीड़ा होगी, दर्द होगा. अरे पूरे देश के लोग चौंक जाएंगे जब दिल्ली के लोग कोरोना से जूझ रहे थे, जब दिल्ली के लोग ऑक्सीजन और दवाओं के लिए भटक रहे थे, तब इन लोगों का पूरा फोकस अपना शीश महल बनवाने में था.